Today I'm gonna show you how to make an attractive thumbnail for YouTube videos using your phone in a few minutes. For this we have to keep in mind these steps. Size always matter, and the standard size for YouTube video thumbnails is 1280 and 720. Always use vibrant and attractive colors as it look pleasing to the YouTube users. Text to image ratio, we have to take care of it. Use related icons or transparent images to the contents. This is so important. And if I'm making a thumbnail for educational video, I have to use education related icons or transparent PNG images which you can download from Google directly. Use eye-catching title and fonts. This is also so important, and for this we need to have some cool looking fonts and some modern fonts. To download fonts pack from the description of this video. Let's make a cool looking thumbnail in few minutes. For this we have to fix the size of this document. Let's keep the size of standard YouTube thumbnail, which is 1280 and 720. Go there.
Now this is the standard size for YouTube thumbnail now.
Let's choose a background now. Background colors. For this I'm using gradient like this. Okay. Always use bright colors as it look pleasing to the YouTube users. Okay. Now we have to add text. Let's add some text.
Come here and type HD or standard, because I'm making it for thumbnails, so I have to adjust this. Done. Now choose fonts. I'm using Captain America, and it will be included in the fonts pack. Download from the description. Let me choose this font. Captain America.
Now add some stroke in white color. White. And make it 22. Stroke width.
And also remove the vertical space from this font. This good.
Now add some shadow to this text.
Now we have to use some transparent images or icons. For this I'm using my own image as a transparent. So let me import. Here it is. There it is. Or deselect this. Now it will allow us to import one. Okay, and now let me choose this one. Okay, that's good. And now rotate it on certain angle. I'm rotating it -15. That's fine
for me. And let me add some stroke to the image now. Where it is stroke.
Image, and that's fine. Let me reduce also the size of this image. There it is. And not so much, but a little bit. No, that's fine. And
this one too. That's fine now. Okay, now I'm adding another text in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. It's fine now. I'm choosing another font from the font pack, and it's called think
have heard one moment. I don't know what's the correct name of it. Okay, let me choose this one. In 2 minutes. That's fine. Also,
make it little big, and also change the color to black. Yes, that's fine now. The last thing, I have to import a YouTube icon. It's having some specific colors. You can remove it by using this. Here it is. Click this image and click the erase color. Now it will erase the specific color here. Here it is white, so it's removing this color. Okay, now the last thing which I have to do, send it to bake. Now that's fine. Adjust the size and position. Size and here's the position. That's fine. And now if you want to change the color, so you can directly do it from this option, hue, and choose a one which looks pleasant to your eyes. You can also change the saturation of specific color, like so, if you like, in this way. Okay, there's the final image. Okay, save from this, save as an image, and no transparency, and dimension is custom. Custom, fine, it's fine. That's fine. Save to a gallery.